I started it again.
Okay.
I stopped it for some reason. Okay, this is the bedroom. Nice bay window. That's an ottoman. Closet.
You don't. In the closet.
Oh, we don't have time. Okay, quick, closet. Turn the light. Oops, doing something weird. It's just a normal closet. I have to go because last time we tried this, we ran out of room. And this is the bathroom. Actually, I guess for the sink. Okay. All right, look out here, Sarah, again.
Linen.
Oh, linen closet.
Okay.
I don't think he cares about this stuff.
All right, over here.
New tablecloth. Oh, the porch. If we run out, just, we'll describe the porch later. Sarah's butt. She's going to delete it now.
Oh, there
because
is a lamp out here, by the way.
Oh, there's a lamp.
Oh, we can't open this. This is locked. Bye.
Oh, and this stupid thing is locked. Really tiny porch, though. And you remember you're up to the woods. Kind of cute.
Show them the front door.
Front door again. That's the front door and the little hallway closet next to it. And then this is the fireplace again. You remember how much you wanted a fireplace, right? This is where the TV is going. You're looking at the TV. Oh, ceiling fans.
Nice.
Another, oh, that's not a fan. But in your bedroom, there's a fan.
There's a fan in all the rooms.
Fans in all the rooms. We're still recording. Really nice kitchen. Fan in here. I think that's it.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Here, you shut it off. Okay.
Bye, Mom.
Bye.